Hey everyone, Kyle at Prolux here. Hope you guys had Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and New Year's to you guys. Today's video though, I wanted to show you guys how to replace the foot pedal on our Prolux uprights. So stay tuned. Alright, so here is the foot pedal. This foot pedal releases and locks the vacuum in the upright position. We're getting some emails on how to replace this, so I thought I'd make a quick video. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna flip the vacuum over, and then you're gonna wanna remove the bottom plate. So there's these two tabs, push them towards each other, and then the bottom plate can come out. All right, so here's the foot pedal. Underneath you have this pin that goes through the belt protector, and then there's this coil spring which allows the foot pedal to move freely. So there's a Phillips right yonder, so we need to remove that real quick. Go ahead and set that screw to the side, and then you're gonna have two more screws right next to the belt, and it's going to be attached to this metal bracket. Just go ahead and remove those as well. Once you got those screws removed, you can kind of just move this bracket with the foot pedal off the motor shaft. And to remove it from the motor shaft, you're going to need to remove the belt, and the belt just slips off. And here you have it. You can either replace just the foot pedal, or you can replace the foot pedal, the bracket, along with the belt guard. If you want to replace just the foot pedal, you're going to need to remove this shaft or pin, but to do so, on both sides of the spring you're going to have a C-clip. If you want to go through all that trouble, gotta remove both C-clips. You can slide it out, put your new foot pedal on, slide it through, add the C-clips and the spring, and you're good to go. But we are more than welcome to just send you this whole part, which again includes foot pedal, the bracket, and the belt cover. Alright, so we just need to reinstall this whole part back onto the vacuum. When you go and reinstall it, make sure it goes like this. The hardest part is going to be getting this hole over this black plastic housing, but I'm going to show you guys a tip. You're going to want to pull the power head down like this so it's underneath the black part, and then you're going to slide the metal ring over and then adjust it up. And then there's gonna be kind of two tabs right here. You're going to want to line up the triangle on the first tab and then slowly release everything. And then you're gonna put this little tab in this cutout, slide it in, and then go ahead and reinstall your screws. Once you screw everything down, it's going to reposition itself in the correct orientation. Especially those two screws for the bracket, once you tighten those down, it's gonna shift everything over. Okay? The belt is the last thing to put on. If you can't stretch it with your fingers, then you need to remove the brush roll. Get the belt on first, and then you're gonna slide it over one of the rollers, and then you're just gonna kind of roll it back into its spot. All right, don't forget about this metal clip. And then, go ahead and close this belt protector. Put the bottom plate back on. Push those tabs over. And then the moment of truth. Flip the vacuum back up in the upright position and test out your pedal. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Replacing the foot pedal and the rest of the components you saw in the video is going to be the easier way. Again, if you want to do just the pedal, you gotta take a bunch of stuff apart, but it's up to you. It's doable. If you guys need replacement parts, please email us at service@proluxcleaners.com and we'll get you replacement parts. If you don't want to fix it, send it in. We'll fix it free of charge. We cover shipping both ways. I'm Kyle at Prolux. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.